Hi guys, my name is Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to put lighting on the wall cabinet. Okay, so for example, this wall cabinet, right? If you want to put lighting inside, you may just right click and come to add function part. Okay, in add function part, there this called decoration will have called lighting. So you may see this one, all kind of lighting. You can drag and just drag it out and put here. Okay, then you may see the lighting also. Or this is just one of the method. Another method, you may come to here, crowd. Okay, crowd here you may see this one called decoration also. Then decorative here will have a lighting. Okay, you can come to this one called closet lighting. Okay, put the light, or put the light, or you can drag from this one, fill light, also no problem. Okay, so you can drag this one, press Ctrl. Remember, press Ctrl for the lighting in here, right? In the crowd usually float to the ceiling, so you must press Ctrl. Even you rotate it or resize it. Okay, so you just drag the lighting. Okay, adjust it. Okay, Ctrl Z. Okay, so move copy one more lah. Just put outside. Okay, put here also. Okay, no problem. Let's say if you next time want to do a lighting from here to here. Okay, I'll just use C to resize it. Okay, resize it. Resize it. Okay, press Z button, copy one. Okay, put here. Okay, after that I'll do some render just to show you. Render, just HD composing. Okay, in front here, just to show you. So a few moments later, ta-da! So you can see the lighting. See the lighting. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.